You don't need to spend a lot of money or take a long time to improve how energy efficient your home is. By making some small changes to your habits and doing some easy projects yourself, you can make your home more comfortable and save money at the same time. My name is the one and only Kevin Ryan from the Blue Coast Realty, and let's look at how to make your home energy efficient. I'm not wasting any time. First of all, your flow may be too heavy, which is why it's a great idea to install low-flow shower heads and faucets to reduce water usage. I bet an energy-saving light bulb just went off in your head. Speaking of which, you can swap your old incandescent bulbs for energy-efficient light bulbs such as LED or CFL bulbs. Energy-efficient appliances can cut down on your bills big time. High-efficiency washing machines use 80% less water, and you can save 65% of the energy. A high-efficiency furnace can cut down your fuel bill in half. Energy Star Certified is a great way to go. Saving money is as awesome as a kiss from a rose by Seal.
I've been kissed by a rose.
Speaking of Seal, you're going to want to seal your ductwork. Hot air can escape through any cracks or holes, so you'll be paying to heat areas of your house that you don't need to. Applying heating vent tape to all of your joints will help you fix this problem. Speaking of sealing, windows and doors can have costly drafts, and you'll want to seal that with caulking or weather stripping along the frame. You can quickly locate a draft by using a candle or incense and observing the movement of the smoke and flickering of the flame. If your windows and doors are the challenge to fix, then you might consider updating them. Ceiling fans are a great option to help you cool you in your bedrooms without using energy to cool the whole house, which is especially useful at night. In the colder months, putting them in reverse mixes the warm air near the ceiling and down into the room so you feel warmer too. You could run large appliances in the evening or hang clothes on a line or a rack to lower energy bills. And hey, make sure to keep all of your appliances clean and get them serviced as needed. Another thing that'll save you is topping up the attic insulation if it's minimal. And install a programmable smart thermostat like a Nest or a Google. Hey, I hope you enjoyed some of those tips. Thanks for watching and welcome home to the Blue Coast.